Well, it's been pretty amazing, and I think what I wanted to say, people have said so much of what I think, but I think what I want to say is that you talk about the highest and the best, and that's what I've gotten. You know, the excellence, the precision, the flexible, creative, brilliant thinking, the ability to look into the future, the ability to show us this wide field and the depth of knowledge, pretty exceptional. And I handpick really carefully who my mentors are, always have. And of course, this organization and Sharif is someone I want to be in lifelong contact with, because why wouldn't you want to work with such an amazing team, such an amazing brain? So I just want to thank you all so much for what you do. You know, the honoring of where everybody is, a place for different people to come in. It's truly exceptional. So thank you so much, and thank you all for making this.
Thank you, Lynn.